Hello and welcome back to HyperParameter. This is your host Aditya Pandey, and today I've come with a brand new video. Now, this video is about creating your own virtual avatar. A lot of you must have come across various people using various avatars as their display picture on various social media platforms. And I'm sure a lot of you must be intrigued to know how are they even creating these avatars. I'm going to simplify this by taking you to a free tool using which you can create multiple avatars. So let's get on with understanding how to use this particular platform, and I'm sure you're going to love this video.
Alright friends, I'm on this amazing website called LightX. Now using this website, you can generate free AI avatars. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. All you gotta do is you gotta click on Create AI Avatar. Now, you need to ensure that you have a good picture of yours. You need to upload your picture and let the AI machine do its magic. So I'm just going to click on continue. It's going to ask me to upload one of my pictures. Now, I need to understand that the picture has to be good and in HD. Now I've uploaded one of my pictures. Now I just need to select the kind of avatar that I would want the AI machine to generate. Now remember, you've got 10 free credits, so it's up to you to decide how many AI avatars you'd like to generate. I'm gonna choose steampunk for starters. I'm gonna hit the generate button, and the AI machine, it's going to do its magic, and here you have it. This is the AI avatar, and it looks beautiful. Now let me try something else. Let me try vintage. Let me figure out the kind of output that the machine has to produce. Wow, this looks amazing. I am teleported back to the 1900s, and this looks great. Now I want all of you to come onto this website, upload your picture, and watch the AI machine do its magic.
Alright, so I want to know your comments and your views about this particular tool, and if you really enjoyed creating your avatars, mention your views in the comments section and let me know what should be the topic of my next upcoming video. I'm waiting for your comments. Thank you for watching.